Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Firefox from the internet from Mozilla website. So let's go ahead and then open up the Chrome browser. Okay, I maximize it. Then I type google.com. Then from here you can type download Firefox. But for this one, you can download the latest one. Let's say if you want a different version, so you can also type not Windows, Firefox 19, or you can type 18 for the previous versions. So it will pop up all the menu here, whichever you want. So for now, we're doing the latest one, so we just simply leave it as download Firefox. Okay, press enter, and then you'll see all the links like first, second, third, but these all are from Mozilla only, so need not to worry about these ones. So I go ahead and then click on first link. Okay, this will take you to the official page of Mozilla Firefox web page. So from this page you can scroll down if you want to and then read everything, but for now I will be ignoring this whole page. So what I do from here is, go ahead and then click on download Firefox. It's right here, it's in blue color, and then you click on it once you click on it, and then it will automatically download. But if not, you can click on this try downloading again. As you can see, it will show up the pop-up. It's going to the downloads. So you go ahead and click on this downloads, and then you see right here it's a Firefox installer. So click on show all downloads, and then I have two of these, but I'll remove one for now. And then okay, so you go ahead and click on this one right here, Firefox installer.exe. Click on this one, and then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you say yes. Okay, as you can see, now it's installing by default. I don't have to press anything there. If it show you anything like a small window box, you can click on next or agree the license agreement, like I accept the license agreement, and then you can proceed forward without any cancellation or closing it. Right now it's installing the Firefox in my system. This might take a minute. As you can see the progress bar on the screen, so just give it a minute. Just a minute. It won't take that long, or you can skip ahead, but it's already done. So it's almost done, and then everything is done. So it's opened by itself. I didn't click anything. It showed me some pop-up right there saying everything is imported, but I didn't do anything before that. So I'll just go ahead and then close this for now. It's just the intro page they give for the Firefox, but I'll close this now, and then I go ahead and then double click on this Firefox. So yeah, I downloaded at the Firefox, and then I install it in my Windows PC. As you can see, it's pretty much working. So I can type google.com, and yeah, that's how it is. So this is pretty much how you download and then install Firefox into your Windows PC. So this is it for today. So if you have any questions or relating any issues or anything, you can always drop a comment so I can look at it and then reply to that. Okay, all right then, thanks for watching my video.